Okay, it's Thursday, October 6th. Following up again on the SPY, this time on the put side. I bought some puts here at the yellow line as discussed. Now we've come down and taken out the pre-market range that I was looking for, and I was able to scale out of this position here. I bought the options at 433, just scaled out at 5. So now it's a no-risk trade, the way I see it, to see if we follow through to the downside. And, we're starting to do that, obviously. But I know that on the on the daily chart, we're still in this big range in here, and I don't know for sure what's going to happen. I don't know, forget the pre-market range, which are the blue lines. We have to break out of that outside bar yesterday, one way or the other, for the market to really tip its hand. And I still think if we break out to the downside, we might be pausing in this gap and the upside. So this is, a tricky environment in terms of really what's going on. But the opening price action clearly failed on bar number 2, headed lower. So it was worth a try to get in here at the, the yellow line. Just because the high probability was you're going to take out, even if you're going to be broadening out up and down within this range, you're going to be taking out, pivots along the way. So the obvious, stops were placed here. Maybe this market today, quite frankly, just wanted to come down, take out these stops before really reversing and heading up before the day's over, which would be a kind of a strange opening price action, but that's what's developing. And, I could even see it here at the moment, kind of getting ready maybe to fail. So I scaled out here again, no risk on the up. If we come back, then I'll break even just like I did on the call trade, or, make a small gain. It might end up where I have a small gain here to start, a small gain on the downside, and then I'm just out of the market watching, But obviously I would like to see it break down a little bit here, given that I'm in some puts. So we're just going to watch the 15-minute price action at no risk right now. But I was able to scale out of these options and, set up a no risk trade to see if we continue further to the downside.